way back in 1973. Johann Zarco leads the way from fellow Frenchman Fabio Quartararo. Further down we've got Bradley Smith, Stefan Bradl and Alex Marquez on row 7. Keep an eye on Stefan Bradl from the back of the grid. We believe he is going to try Honda's Kenny Roberts. The last time a Yamaha rider won the opening 3 Grand Prix of a Premier Classic. Underway.
The warm-up lap on a very warm circuit, 47 degrees temperature. He's been in this situation. Who would have thought it?
He's not shy and scared to get elbows and knees out when he needs to, is he? The new generation in MotoGP with Fabio Quartararo. Here we go, we've just said it, the Battle of Brno. We're all set for it. Wish a bumpy ride for those men on your screens right now. This Brno circuit, treacherously bumpy over the last 2 or 3. What a shock he sprang yesterday.
Chapter 1, we saw the champion down and out. Chapter 2, third chapter in Czech Republic. Lights out here in MotoGP. What a start from Aleix Espargaro from the second row. Fabio Quartararo's made Franco Morbidelli. It will be the whole shot for the Frenchman. Aleix Espargaro goes through in third. Quartararo's wide though. Through goes Morbidelli.
It's a pole that Johann Zarco was looking for. He's been swallowed up now as well by Pol Espargaro. Aleix Espargaro on the factory of Aprilia in the top 3 on.
And just looking at Jack Miller there, he's made a good start. We'll keep our eyes on Dovi as we go. As Aleix Espargaro now charges up the inside of Fabio Quartararo. Can he hold on?
You're used to seeing the Aprilia RSG mixing it with the big boys at the front. Valentino Rossi did not get a good look. Already getting his head down. Already nearly half a second clear of Aleix Espargaro.
Well, there is Valentino Rossi then with Danilo Petrucci just up ahead of him. Nakagami's really getting busy. He's made up a bunch of...
Very often, Woody, just 3 times. And there he is down in 6th place. Dovizioso's recovered a couple of spots. He's come through sector.
World Championship winning year in Moto 2. He's 8/10 of a second clear already on this opening lap. There are the 2.
The Spanish hero still riding battered and bruised after that horrible crash he had in qualifying at the season opener. 11th he started.
He's got a gigantic lead already over Aleix Espargaro on the Aprilia and Quartararo. Here is Johann Zarco then.
He goes wide into the first corner. No second invitation required for Fabio Quartararo. The Frenchman streaks straight
as he looks to find a way through on his brother Brad Binder. Is he trying to hang it around the outside? He is, of his teammate. Look at the number 32.
Yeah, Binder roughed up Pol Espargaro there a little bit, didn't he, as well? And that's allowed Johann Zarco through with the gloves off. He's a fighter, he's a scrapper, and that's exactly what he's doing here on lap 2.
Brad Binder might be, I want to make another mistake. Friendly fire from him last time, and another bit there on his teammate, Pol Espargaro.
Quartararo, Aleix Espargaro still hanging on there in the top 3. He's coming under real pressure though from Binder, who's dive-bombing him from ways back on through. Great battle this for 3rd.
Here he comes again, Brad Binder up the inside. He retakes
Binder up into 3rd place. Zarco's regripped and got himself back into 5th. Pol Espargaro's quickly retaken that later so far. And somebody we have not mentioned at all, Maverick Vinales, started 5th, 8th. Another shocking first lap
for the start for Cal Crutchlow. He's down in 19th place, so he's lost 7 places in the opening couple of laps,
only because Miller's down in 16th place.
Here comes Johann Zarco trying to put a move on Aleix Espargaro, who's just finding it a bit.
Especially for Aleix Espargaro, what he's lacking is what he needs most around this horsepower Brno circuit, and that is engine performance. The wrong way at the moment is Aleix.
He's going to try and bite back though. Here we go, Pol and Aleix love each other so much, but they don't really care when the visor comes down. Pit Byra looking on. The rookie
at the moment. Dovizioso's clawed his way up into 12th, but he's 4.6 seconds behind the race leader. All
can keep it all together because he's just showing what he's got here. The future is so bright for that South African.
Can you imagine as well, MotoGP race? The kid's got skills.
Into the last couple of turns then, let's see where the gap is. It looks like, and the Yamaha on the straight, is Binder going to have a poke at the World Championship leader into turn 1? No.
These two have had a few. Binder around this 5.4 kilometre Brno circuit, he's just fighting a 1:57.445.
By the Monster Energy Yamaha riders, Vinales still 8th, Rossi still 9th, and Dovi is still behind his teammate Petrucci in 12th.
In Europe right now, because their rookie sensation, Brad Binder, how long will he be able to keep this pace? He hasn't got the experience. I'm basically just going to get out there, go as fast as I can, and then suck it and see.
There's Valentino Rossi. He's got through on that place. He's currently harassing the Aprilia rider Aleix Espargaro in the fight for 6th.
Yeah, well for Ducati, and he's under real pressure here from his former KTM teammate Pol Espargaro. He said he was hoping to battle for the top.
Pol's just got to be patient here. He's got the pace to be able to contend for the podium, but it doesn't need to be done. I mean...
And Binder, having got quickly onto Fabio Quartararo's rear tyre, has not been close enough as yet. He's got to keep calm, cool and collected.
He's gone down! Believe it. Was there contact between him and Johann Zarco? He's got his arms up, wondering what's happened.
There was definitely a no. Espargaro.
Was there contact here? Yes. Oh dear.
It's happened repeatedly like this in different classes around with the riders and engineers. How do you feel?
Thanks to Mike Leitner, it's not sunk in anywhere yet. The first ever South African winner in the Premier class.
Do you know, it's only...